G'day y'all. What I'll cover in this video today is just the cleaning of this old work belt that I've got here. It's a leather belt. It's got a bit of wear and tear on it, and what I'm going to do is just bring it up to speed. So I'm going to use the Oakwood Deep Clean Soap, followed by the Chamberlains Leather Milk to condition and rejuvenate, and then finally place on the Saphir Canadian polish. This is a really good polish because it actually doesn't, once you place it on, it won't come off, and that's good for when you're using a belt, so you don't have a dark stain around your trousers. To help me do that, I'll use some polishing cloths and microfiber cloths, and also to help in aiding the cleaning as a sponge, use the sponge side, and also we may have to use the grit side as well, just to get all the scuffs and dirt off. So here we go. Okay, so we've finished applying the coat of Chamberlains Leather Milk. It's all dried, and we're good to go now to place on the final coat on the next step, which is the Saphir Canadian polish. So here we go. So you can see the difference there as we work along. We'll continue on doing the rest of the belt. Bring you back and show you how it comes up. Once I get to this area here, I'll give an in-depth closer look at how we fix that bit up. Deep clean. So I'll just go over it with the Canadian polishing now. Right, so there we have it. What I'll do now is I'll wait for it to dry a little bit. Any areas that require a little bit more polish, like for here for example, I'll just apply some into there, let it soak in, and once I'm happy with it, I'll let it sit for an hour or so, and then just give it a wipe off, get any excess off. Okay, so there we have the finished product. It's come up quite nicely. Thanks for watching.